Today I will continue my project. I will build marble run. Okay, friend. Let's start. Come on, mommy. Yes, Peppa. Wait. Patient, please. Okay, mommy. What next? Yes, wait. We need this part and this part. Huh? Oh, no. We need this part and this part. And put on top here. And then what, mommy? Wait, Peppa. Wait. Okay, mommy, I'm waiting you. And then we need this one and this one. For this. It's fall. Sorry. And then we need the green corner and put like this. The green corner, not green, but this, the blue corner is put on here. Yes. Then we need this one. Yes, mommy. And then what? Oh no. Okay. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think it's 10. We need 10. The smallest one. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, Peppa. It's now time you to counting. It's time to counting, Peppa. Okay, mommy. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, Peppa. Now time to put on top here. Okay. Next. 1, 2, 3. We need 4 like this. Right here. 1 and 2. Come on, Peppa. Come. 3 and 4. Then the next is this one. Okay. We need this one. Then What next? Don't know, mommy. Okay, next. We need the green like this. Two like this. And then put inside here. Okay. And the other one put here. Now we need the corner, green corner. We put like this. And blue thing like this. Okay. And now we need this part for this part. Now this has we need blue and yellow and put here and here. Okay? After that, we okay. We need the orange things, this, and we need 3 square cream and put on top here. 1, 2, 3. Yes, Peppa, just 3. We need just 3. Okay. Next, we put here. Okay. Then we need the yellow thing in here. Okay. Yes. It's finished, mommy. No, Peppa. We will continue tomorrow, okay? Oh, okay, mommy. Okay, friend. Now I want to sleep because I'm sleepy. Because I'm sleepy. Okay, friend. I will continue tomorrow, okay? Thank you for watching and see you the next video. Bye bye, my friend. Goodbye. Bye bye. See you tomorrow. Bye. Love you all. Mwah. Okay, mommy. I want to sleep. Ooh. Oh no. Wrong way. No. Bye, friend. See you tomorrow. And see you the next video.